What's up guys, so recently a while ago I got a package from Lazada and it's two pieces of puzzles. It's one from FanXin and one from MoreTry. So I don't know if it's from America, so let's check it out. Today we're gonna open it both in the same video, in one video man. Ganda ng opener ko, nakunay yung biscuiter. Oh, the fancy packaging got destroyed. Oh my gosh. So this version is the end release and as in the final. This version is the most premium of all. It's the, what do you call this? The MagLev Ultra. I mean the most premium version of the Hudong, FanXin Hudong. Okay, which box should I open first? I think the MoreTry because this is kind of old. I think it released from 2022. 2022 pa ata to. Yeah, that's. Okay, let's wrap it up. Yeah, I remember. This puzzle came out first before this one. Hudong, FanXin. Okay. Oh, we've got an unnecessary packaging from MoreTry. First time ever in my life. What the hell is this? Okay, now I'm kinda curious about what it's gonna be. I'm gonna open it left and right like that. It's cool though. So what do we have here? Okay, got some fog wipes. Let's set aside this first. I'm onto the cube. What the hell is this one? So this version is the super magnetized, I think. Yeah, it's the super magnetized. This is the version of it. I think this cube is kind of small. It feels like a 54mm. It is. Okay, I'm gonna put the plastic back. I'm just kidding, it's trash. It's kinda cool though. Okay, let's do first turns. Okay, it's good. I'd bet for 1,000 pesos or $21 in country. And then we're gonna move on to the FanXin Hudong. Let's take a look if this cube is main worthy for my main. Hudong. Okay, the packaging looks like X-Man Tornado V3M. Kind of looks like a ripoff. Okay, now let's check the box. accessory box. Okay. I think I'm gonna do a separate video from this because this video might take too while. Okay, we got a cube bag. Let's put it back because we don't need it. Okay, pause muna natin. Better. Now we have lights because I can't see the cube a while ago. We don't have a ring light right now. So as you can see, we have a placeable center cap if you don't want the logo to be seen. Okay, let's do for ourselves. Oh my gosh. Parang sinagad sa UV coated ah. Anong weak na itong cube ano? Look at the core guys. It feels like it's going to break even after you use it for 7 days or 1 week. Look at the core. This is bad. Okay, this lens. Okay. Oh, it's not good. Okay. Feels bumpy. Okay, let's set aside this. I'm gonna do separate solves in one video. I mean, not separate. Just one example solve to each. Okay, let's try the MoreTry, no pun intended. Yeah, 14.4, not good. Okay, let's try it with a FanXin Hudong if it's good. Okay. That, I think that's pretty much it. So about the recommendations, let's see what I've got to say. About the MoreTry, I totally recommend this, but you need to put some lube, heavyweight lube, to make it stable, like the Satcha Green. And this one, I don't recommend it. because it's too flexible, too unstable. But if you want to buy it, then go buy the cube. You just need some glue. Oh, I forgot about the adjustments. Let's take a look. Ooh. Shit. Okay, nothing to worry about, guys. Still fine. We have 8 adjustment compression system. Kinda cool though. Ciao, peace, subscribe.